Welcome to another step-by-step maintenance guide for the Sport robot. In this video, we will walk you through maintaining the battery housing and rail, either before or after using the robot.
Okay, so why do I need to do this?
That's a great question, because proper maintenance matters. This guide is designed to prolong your robot's lifespan and ensure the highest level of performance every time you use it. Make sure the battery housing and the rail are clear of debris. You can do this by hand, with a long tool, or by using compressed air. It's also helpful to have a flashlight. If the battery rail is full of grass or debris, it can prevent the battery from connecting properly. We are now going to place the robot on its side to make the next few tasks easier to complete. Don't forget to make sure that the pump system is empty before rotating the robot, and you can also put something soft underneath it to protect it. Before turning the robot on its side, ensure that the battery rail entrance is facing upward. To lift and turn the robot, hold the side with one hand. Reach and hold the silver handle with the other hand. Then gently turn the robot onto its side. Be careful not to drop the robot and never place it upside down, as this can damage the buttons and the lamp. Check that the robot is stable and safe. Make sure the rear motor wheel isn't under pressure and can spin freely. Using a long tool, gently reach down and tap the back and the two brass pins. Be careful not to push too hard. If the pins are corroded or the back box is broken, the battery will not maintain a consistent connection, which can cause the robot to randomly power off. Make sure the entrance is not bent. Then check that the locking hole is clear. Look under the housing to confirm everything looks okay. Pay attention to the black plastic at the bottom of the rail. It should not be cracked. Finally, check the hole at the back, but make sure the entire housing is straight and properly aligned. If the housing is damaged or bent, the battery might not slide in cleanly. Lastly, it is critical to ensure the main power cable is not damaged. Look at the surface of the cable to make sure there are no signs of wear or tear. Okay. If you need any additional help or information, please reach out to our support department at support@tinymobilerobots.com, or alternatively, you can find more resources at help.tinylinemarker.com. That's everything for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.